You just found the 2018 Ford Expedition. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Go big, go bold, go beautiful. This rugged and luxurious Expedition delivers full-size SUV capability, premium amenities, and the latest driver assist and infotainment technology, all wrapped in a sleek, modern package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, power liftgate, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Fill this full-size, full-strength, up-for-anything luxury hauler with your friends and family and let the good times roll. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.